And what's up, guys? We are back with another 2-Minute Tuesday, and this time with the WRX. And in today's video, we're gonna see if we can fit a full-size tire in the trunk of a stock WRX. So if you guys didn't actually know, the WRXs sold in the US don't come with a spare tire. They actually just come with a self-tire repair kit and inflation kit. But if you go to Canada and buy your WRX, they actually do come with a spare tire. So all WRXs do come with a spare tire holder. So if we see over here, and here we have a stock tire and rim, 18-inch 245, coming straight off of a different WRX Premium. And this is what your stock WRX from the US should look like in the trunk. Should have a little tab here that you pull up. And notice how there's no spare tire. There's actually just a bunch of stuff, and you guys can't see that. So what I'm gonna do is you can pull this whole entire piece out, put that on the ground, and then raise the ISO for you guys. You see that? This is what a stock WRX comes with from the US. No spare tire. But if you remove this, see it's a little tub, you can remove it. There's supposed to be a spare tire holder, so I'm gonna do that. Can't do it because I only have one hand, and then I'll come back. And here it is out of the trunk. Took it out of the trunk successfully. It was actually really easy. All you have to do is pinch here, pull up. It's really light because it's made out of styrofoam. But if we take our attention back over to here, this is what it looks like without it. Wow, look at all that space. So we got some little plugs there. These things, I noticed you could take these out too, but I don't think it's really necessary. But yeah, that's what the trunk space looks like without a cover. The next thing to see is, does it fit? So here's the stock 18-inch 245 tire straight off of the WRX Premium. And I'm not going to film myself put this in the trunk because I only have one hand. But yeah, I'll show the aftermath. And there we have it, guys. The stock WRX from US can fit a stock premium 18-inch 245 width tire in the spare tire space in the trunk. Look at that. It's actually pretty perfect. It bulges a little bit, but that shouldn't matter. What I'm going to do is I'm actually going to take this mat. I'm going to put it back in. Here we go. Okay, I'll just do that. The mat is in. Look at that, guys. Perfect. Flat. Can't even see there's a tire. And that wraps up this 2-Minute Tuesday about the full-size tire fitting in the spare trunk for the WRX. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm very happy this fit and worked because it's always nice to have a spare tire. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, explore our page. We have a bunch of other videos up, also a lot of other 2-Minute Tuesdays. If you have a Beamer, that's going to be very helpful. But yeah, if you liked it, like this video, comment, turn on those noties, and subscribe. And we'll see you in the next one.